Hello friends, welcome back to ReactJS tutorial for beginner in Laravel 10. Last video we discussed how we can create a one sample code like go to resources, inside you can go to JS, inside you can see it like hello react.jsx file we have created after we have called this file inside a app.js. Now this file is working inside a resources, inside a views, inside welcome.blade.php here. Okay. So in this video we can cover like what is the component, why we need a component, okay, how we can use a component. Lots of questions there, but I can explain like a simple way. Component means we need to divide the code. Like one code is header code, one is the code is like sidebar code, one is like a footer code, and one is your main code. One is like a mobile code. Whatever code there we need to divide. This is the meaning about component. So you are create one folder like a JS folder, and inside you can create like a component folder. Inside you can create like a multiple file, like one file like header.react.jsx, another is like a footer.jsx, whatever do you want to do like your way, this is the you can do it. Okay, so meaning about you need to divide. So in this video I can show you how we can do it like a component, and component against how we can call like a hello react.jsx. Okay, so I have one request. You are new in the channel otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading inside in this series otherwise in this channel, so you always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? So just go to errorsolutioncode.com and you can click on the script button, so you can see it like a categories and you can buy it. Okay, so first of all we need to start our project in live mode. So what we can do, just go to just go to bootstrap. Inside need to go to app.php, and inside you need to make like this line comment. Okay, once you can make comment, and after you need to write like npm run dev, and just press the enter. So your code is working inside like a live mode, is working very well. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can check it is working not working. Okay, let's see, go to back inside years. I see 1 minute I made mistakes. Let's make this the save files. Okay, control J, and after you can make comment these lines. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it is working very well. Okay, let's go back again and we can check hello react. Inside we have changed like a hello words. I save this file, now I add a s, I just go back, so you can see it updation working very well. So now we need to create a one folder like component. Whatever folder name do you want to like, you can do it, but I like it only component because react.js working with a component like a component. Why we need to components what say, because the react.js developer decide this reason is a say like folder name is a component, so it's a like easily understand like everybody, this is the reasons. Otherwise you can create a own folder, old folder, while you can do it same thing. Just go to js, inside you need to go to new folder, inside you need to call a component. You see, very simple and very easy. Inside you need to create like same file name hello react.jsx. so just you can create and you can make like a enter, so you can see it here file created. Just copy paste same code and you can put here, and after you can save these files. Okay, so here file created, so we need to call this file inside app.php. suppose you are going back, so here is I already removed this space, but you are not found this space removed. So just you can go to like app.js, and you can make here like a folder name whatever directory you have created. So component directory I have created, so just copy this name and you can put, and after you can make like a slash, after you can save and just go back, so you can see it is working very well. Suppose I go scroll down and I can make like here hello words, my name Hardik, so I just say is Hardiks and I save, so you can see hello world Hardiks. So meaning about like it is working very well. Suppose I remove and I save, so also you can see it update found. So this is the reason. Suppose component inside, do you want to create another folder like another file like let's create another one app.jsx. okay, this is the extension like a new react like this working extension, other before working like .js. okay, let's copy and I paste inside app.js, and I can create like a hello only. Okay, so we can go to like we need to change here like a hello react, simple. We need to put like app and here also you can change. And same thing, you can go to app.js, you can change here like a app. Okay, and save. Just go back again, refresh the page. So no need to refresh the page, automatic work, you know me, so app. Same thing, do you want to call like two files like a hello react and app? Okay, so let's see what's the error. You can see it here. You can see here's only one work, one is not working because of like a already use this app. Like here you can go to like app.js. So here is you are listing inside app, and hello react inside you can go, so also return the app. So just you can go to like a views welcome.blade.php, you can create like different name like here apps, and you can save. After you can go to like app.jsx, and you can save. And so you can see both of you works. Here I can change like a hello app, and I save. So you can see here change. Okay, so let's see here also, see here also, see. Okay, I save both file. You can see once I save both files, so you can see like hello words and hello app. So meaning about like a two file you are calling at the same time inside app.js, and this file we are creating like id inside welcome.blade.php. Here you can see it. So this is the reason is a component work like a different way. But here I will call two file, but it's not meaning about component. Component means we need to divide the code. Suppose futures means in next video, few video after you can find out like header, footer, sidebar. We are choose one themes, and themes against we are working like add, delete, update, progress bar, like page ignition, how we can do it inside page ignition inside react.js. So everything is working as a component. But I don't want to make like duplication code. I will create a always common code, and we can put inside a component. Like here is a component inside app.js. Suppose I create a new folder. What is the folder name? I can do like a app. Okay, app inside I'll create a like three file more, like a save header dot jsx. So you can see here I create another file, same like you are there inside a Laravel. So also always you are creating like this file like a layouts. Otherwise you can change this name, like you can make like layouts folder name, layouts folder. Inside you can create like a header.jsk, sorry, jsx. Another one like footer.jsx, and third one like a sidebar. You can do it. So this is the meaning about like component we have divide, and this component we have call inside app.jsk jsx, and we are calling the data here. And after we are getting every place file there, so auto without replace you getting the data. So I can show you step by step. I hope you have clear about like a component work. Okay, and you don't understand what I explained, so please comment out and I will give you the answer. And do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And next video we can cover like we can use like one themes, and we can show you how we can make like a themes wise we are divide like a component part. In this video I will explain like what is the component, how we can use component, and what is the meaning about component. I told you same thing I told you in 3 words, but it's the same definition. Okay, and thank you for watching error solution, and please subscribe and please press the bell icon.